back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download Epic Privacy Browser. And guess what? This one you will definitely be using for free. Yes, no additional costs, no nothing, and you will be able to be private in wherever location you are. So let's dive right into the video. So here we have, we're gonna scroll down right here. If you download it on your Windows or Apple device, then you will use this. So I'm downloading it on my Apple device. I already download it on my window. Alright, so here it goes. And you can also get this on Play Store, etc. Alright, do you want to download? Yes, I do. You can put your email here if you need additional updates information. Not me. So you can see up here, it's downloading. I'm gonna pause the video and allow it to download, and then I restart it back. Okay, let's put there. Alright, so I'm gonna give it some time to finish download. See you guys when it's finished. So now I'm showing you how you can download it straight from your App Store or Play Store. So I'm downloading this one from my App Store. And it's downloading, so as always I'm just gonna pause the video and let all of that finish, then I come right back. Now it have finished install. We're gonna click open, agree, and continue. All right, so now we're going to be clicking on Epic Privacy feature right there, and now we're going to be turning on the VPN. Hello, when you do that, you're gonna get a pop-up to add your VPN to your settings. Please do so. It will automatically be added. All right, we're gonna test it out. See, connecting VPN. When your VPN is connected, it's gonna be popped up right here. So your VPN is connected and you're good to go. So now you can choose to browse, do whatever you want to do, and don't have to be worried about your location. All right, so there you have it, guys. As always, keep you informed with how to stay off the radar. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So now you're able to watch even YouTube videos, and you don't have to worry about any ads popping up because you already blocked that. You understand? And whatever you want your VPN used for, you do that. And I definitely recommend do not sign in.